Okay. Topic of the day for the barbers. Yeah, I'm here to motivate, educate, and elevate. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Monye, y'all holla at him.
Man, chilling with Cutter G, the barber, man. Talking big business on how to handle our barber life, man. Handling it right. Yes, like he said, man, my guy just here to elevate and conversate. You dig?
Yes, Lord, like he say. Let me tell you something. We were just speaking about distractions, right? And what distractions are is anything that's knocking you off your focus. Simple. TV, it goes for YouTube if you're not watching the right thing. The video game. You can play the fucking video game, but if you're gonna play it, monetize that bitch.
Yeah.
You feel me? Make some money. Twitch it. Twitch it. What else? Goddamn. Biggest thing, cause this has been my problem too. Women.
Yeah. Facts.
And women, the men, cause y'all real emotional. For the men, you cannot let any female distract you. If you do, you're a beta male anyway. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to be that. Now, I'm an alpha male. So, sometimes I jump in and out of my beta, but I'm not perfect, I'm human. But you don't let this stop your day. Do not let this stop your day. Please don't, because it can stop your whole year if you let it. It's a habit too. So, I need y'all to always keep your mind focused. If you have a woman, if you don't have a woman, it doesn't matter. If you have a man, if you don't have a man, it doesn't matter. We got a lot of female barbers out here now. Stay out of your feelings, stay focused. This is gonna be the first motivational video. Boy, Monye, he pumped me up. We finna motivate y'all. We finna get y'all to where y'all wanna be. Cut classes is coming soon. ChopShopTV, man, we in here for real. I got so many videos I haven't posted, but it's coming for sure. Best believe. Anxiety gone. We'll talk about that later too. For a lot of y'all who really have anxiety problems and stuff like that, and y'all don't feel like going to work, your levels are low, serotonin, man, I'm gonna go deep in this channel.
I'm going to go deep, you understand me?
Yes, and I smoke. That's part of my medicine, so say what you want in the comments, I don't give a damn. I'm serious. This is my medicine. So you can see that you're in the matrix. You're in the matrix. It doesn't matter. You're plugged in. As long as you're looking at cars move and shit like that, you're in the matrix. So there's nothing wrong with it. Just learn how to unplug. And how do you unplug and stay focused? Stay out of your fucking mind. Stop overthinking and just do the shit. Look, I got on Nike everywhere to remind me. Look, this reminds me, I don't wear this shit because it's a fashion statement, bro. I make money. If I'm going for fashion, I'm gonna buy some Louis or some Tommy, the hot shit. Yeah, the $300 coats and $5,000 coats and Rolexes and shit. Look, we regular around here. I'm wearing Nike because it reminds me to just fucking do it. For everybody who be wanting to know why I'm always wearing Nike, that's the real reason. A lot of people, because they be on dum-dum, so I meet them at their level, but I'm stopping that shit. You gonna come up to me or nothing. Period. I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. None of that. I don't care if they demonetize this video because I'm cussing. I don't give a damn. Y'all need to hear this and listen close. We on here 4 minutes. I ain't gonna talk too long, so. Trendcutta, I'm out. Monye.
I'm out, man.
Hey, ChopShopTV, man.
Stay focused.
Stay focused. Stay motivated. Don't let nobody distract you. Not even your mama.
No, for real.
It's your problem. Shit, I tell my mama, look, I got stuff to do. I'm grown and you don't pay none of my bills. You understand me? I'm grown. You never pay none of my bills. No disrespect, I love you, but get off my phone. I have shit to do. So with that being said, we out, man.